Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace the water pump and the flow meter. This is the water pump from 2016 and this is the flow meter of the machine. So we replaced this flow meter and this water pump, and now the machine is working, having good flow coming out from the water tank all the way into the spouts. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. We're going to put everything on the middle and around 2 ounces of coffee. We're grinding on the 4 setting of the grinder, and we're using our test coffee. Falling into the brew unit and then going into the generator, where the generator is going to extract the coffee and it's going to come out through the spouts. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Nice and hard. Good quantity. And what is a nice steady stream coming out of the one. The steamer is nice and powerful. Great steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.